Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel AM Graphics. My name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in crypto. But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe, click on notification bell. Whenever I upload video, you will get notified. Now, you don't know anything concerning cryptocurrency, but you want to invest. What do you have to do? Now you can go to Google Store, Play Store, and you can download Passful. If you don't want to use Passful, you can download Roku. And if you don't want to use Roku, you can use Binance, and whatever app you want to use as a layman, whatever app you want to use. But for me, I prefer Roku because is what I understand most. So now, how do I invest in cryptocurrency? Since you have getting your app, you have downloaded it from your Play Store, and yeah, let's move to Roku now. Okay, so I have signed in. Now, as you can see now, I have 5,000 naira in my wallet, Roku wallet. And don't forget that I told you you should subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe, you will miss a lot, because I have taught you how to deposit your Roku account. Because now, if you want to deposit, you go and watch one of my video. I have taught you how to deposit. How do I deposit this money to my account now? You go and watch the video, you will understand how I deposit to my Roku wallet using Raven app. Now, I want to invest, and I have this money. I want to invest, so I want to use this 5,000 naira to buy cryptocurrency. Let's assume now I want to buy Litecoin. And don't forget that you can see now this one has increased to 65,000 naira. One Litecoin is 65,000 naira. So one Litecoin is 65,000 naira, and I want to buy part of it. I have 5,000 naira. You can buy any amount that you want to buy. So I have 5,000 naira now, and my former Litecoin, the one I have before, I still have 0.1603. So I have 0.1603, so which is equivalent to 10,444 naira. So I want to buy now. What next do you have to do is to just click buy. Do you see it now? Immediately you click buy, so automatically it will take you to this place, and you will write the amount, that is 5,000 naira, and you have to proceed. By the time you proceed on to this place, so definitely the money will automatically go back to your cryptocurrency, and it will be added to your cryptocurrency, and you continue to watch how the money will grow. So in this tutorial, I think I have taught you how to convert crypto to cash, and now how to invest in cryptocurrency. So that is what I want you to do now. The step by step is to choose which cryptocurrency exchange you want. That is, whether you use Roku, you use Binance, you use Passful. That is the meaning of that. The second step is to establish an account with the cryptocurrency. That you open account, which I have already do here. I have account with Roku. You can see it here. So the third step is divide which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Whether you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, you want to buy Litecoin, whatever you want to buy. So you have to know it very well, and you have your money in your account before. The next one is place a buy order for your chosen cryptocurrency. Yes, immediately you choose a buy order. The next one is store your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. Automatically it will be stored. You can see it now. Look at it. Automatically my cryptocurrency here is already store. So you can see here store. It will keep increasing when you buy it. So that is how to invest in cryptocurrency. So don't tell me that you don't understand how to invest in cryptocurrency now. So that is very simple. So ladies and gentlemen, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.